ready to unlock the full potential of your trading game. Let's dive into Fidelity's Active Trader Pro, your all-in-one powerhouse for advanced trading strategies, and show you how to navigate it like a pro in under 90 seconds. First, download and install Active Trader Pro from the Fidelity website, logging in using your Fidelity credentials. Charting is key, so click on Charts at the top and explore the various chart types. From simple line charts to intricate candlestick patterns, customize your view with technical indicators like moving averages and RSI. Access through the Studies menu. Use the drawing tools to mark trends and potential entry or exit points. Next, let's master order entry. The direct trade window allows for rapid order placement, while directed trade lets you specify routing destinations. Elevate your strategy with conditional orders, enabling automated trades based on predefined criteria. This can be found under the Trade and Orders menu. Stay ahead of the curve with real-time data. Level 2 quotes, found under Quotes and Watch Lists, provide market depth insights, while the Time and Sales window displays every transaction as it happens. Use these tools to gauge market sentiment and identify potential opportunities. Personalize your workspace by creating custom layouts and watch lists. Drag and drop windows to arrange them to your preference and create watch lists of your favorite stocks for quick monitoring. This will increase your efficiency when trading. That's it. You're now equipped with the basics to navigate Fidelity's Active Trader Pro. Experiment, practice, and refine your strategies to take your trading to the next level. Good luck and happy trading.